Pezguedlu, Eitahola Bafetu, your host of a day in Second Street Music Show. I go by the name of Mr. Shiba Fetu. The show, it's all about music and talent. I have my 5 top songs for the month of April. Number 5, it's by the super talented Mika S, along with Smiley Keys and Brown, the song called Valo. Number 4, Bafetu. Number 4, it's by the talented Solo AU Bafetu. The song is titled Body Lam Bafetu. On the third one, Bafetu, we have a super talented Miano alongside Killer Punch, Apete Uvusinator Bafetu with Super Mosha. The song is called Hamba Nami Bafetu. The second one, Bafetu, it's by the talented Spora Bafetu, Mikalo Bafetu, hitmaker Mikalo Bafetu, Arbitola Pina Bafetu, Ki Hamba Juba. The first song Bafetu we choose it for the month of April Bafetu, Pezguedlu Bafetu, it's by Mr. Jezik, Killer Punch, Miano Bafetu, Pezguedlu Bafetu. Danko, as you know Bafetu, if you want to be on the show Bafetu, send us your songs, send us your biography. Retol Twara Bafetu, Danko, a day in Second Street. Follow us, it's all.